Sundays. So we are out here.
Cool, it's not that shallow, that river.
No.
Quite cool.
Yeah.
See, and that's clean water there.
Absolutely. We met a lovely Norwegian man here.
Nearby the stream.
Come with me to the adventure. This is the end of our road here.
Yeah, what we do is we park the car here.
There we are. Here we are. This is our little bag. So come with us. We are here. This is our first family adventure. Yeah, so we carry things heading this way.
Cutting board for the fish.
Cutting board for the fish. Yeah. If we caught a fish. Yeah.
Ah, we will get fish.
Cast your hook.
I would be laughing so hard to catch a fish straight away.
Me too. That day we catch a fish straight away, you remember? We made it back down here. So me and my husband trying to catch a fish down here. Have you had something?
No, not even a bite.
Oh. We finally found another beach when we were already leaving because we didn't catch a fish at that spot. So we want to try here. It's so windy today. Very, very much windy. So, and we try.
This was our Sunday fishing adventure. No fish was caught by us that day. We're going into the next day off to the big city to buy tomato seeds. Good stuff, man. Look at that.
For swimming?
Yeah, you can sit in here.
We are out here by the sea. At the... Is it the way, this one? I don't think so.
I don't know. Maybe you're not allowed here.
Not at all.
No, I don't think we're allowed.
Oh, it's good to swim. Cool. These are the seeds, love. Oh, this thing is bigger this side.
Oh, yeah, maybe. No flowers, eh?
Flowers, yeah. Oh, tomatoes.
Maybe.
La, 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 la. Yeah. Is this the cherry tomato?
No, I think these
Or this?
as well.
This is cherry tomato, maybe. They're beautiful. Wow, look at this. This is so nice. You like it? I like it so much. This is the one we have at our home.
Is
By the front door, yeah. Come, you see. If you want the bigger one, you can buy here and this one at how much already? 149.
149, yeah.
Yeah. Wow, so if you
See,
want,
that's the cherry tomato. See?
yeah. Yeah, the paprika, the flowering. This one is already big. Wow. Oh. Come see this one. It's already have paprika ball. Nice. I love it. Sounds so nice. Look at this. They're different flowers. I got this one. Oh, marigold. a little bit bitter smell.
Nice, huh? Delicious, yeah. It smells here so yummy.
Alright, so let's have a big snack here. This is snack. It is Aryan versus food, not Max.
That's a pork leg you got. Pork hock.
Yeah.
Whole shank.
A whole chunk of pork.
Yeah, scan on. Cool, man.
Wow. Yeah, so juicy. It's crispy juicy.
Look at that. A fountain, beautiful, eh? And here is something that is in Norway very normal. It is whale meat. I never tried it and I'm not gonna try it. Not my popular thing of eating. It's very normal here. You can buy whale meat. How much is it? Here all the prices. $2.55 per kilo. Nice, eh? So strange. Nowhere in the world they eat whale meat. Here they still do. Who's that sitting in a car eating half a pig? Who is that? What is that on earth? Is that half a pig here? Wow, looks good, hey?
This is not even something to talk about.
Wow, it's extremely yummy, enjoy.
It's so soft. We are making a garden bench so that we can enjoy looking at our vegetables.
And one there, eh? And I'll do this one all the way to the end here, I think. Looks like we're getting there, eh? The bench is almost finished.
Yeah, I'm trying to be so quick. Oh!
We just used pellets for this bench.
Yeah, the junk, these are the junk in. I have a bench.
Yeah, now you have a bench, yeah.
Yeah, I can come and watch my plants growing. Yeah.
The vegetables are doing really, really well.
Absolutely good. They're growing, but I see a problem there. There is one spinach leaf are snapping. So I don't know why they are snapping. So
Maybe they get too fast, they get too heavy, top heavy.
I think maybe there is, if it is a wind working them, you see them?
Yeah, I see it again. Yesterday
And
too.
this one, yeah. So I don't think if it's something just working them, the wind or a butterfly was locked here. Yeah.
I don't think a butterfly can break a leaf.
Yeah, let me know if a butterfly can break a leaf.
I doubt it.
I thought so.
Maybe the peeps know.
Wow, look at the leaves of my spinach. Wow, I cannot believe it. This is attic. Oh, things are so beautiful here. Absolutely. Look, you can see the leaves now. The leaves are so huge, massive. Absolutely massive. Yeah, apart from those, the kills are snapping. That is the problem, but it is so massive. Even the tomatoes that really were dying, they are really are thriving now. At least I give them a chance and I planted them there. Good. Look at that. Big. So huge. I'm happy. The garden is very good.
And here is paprikas. See, all the paprikas are doing well too.
Absolutely.
And these are the beans, but they have not shown up yet.
They are sure now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, a little one.
This one. This one.
Okay.
This one. This one.
So we're still waiting for the beans.
They wanna
Spinach
pop
is doing very well.
Spinach is the most wonderful plant in this garden.
And it is not even spinach, eh? It is, what is it?
Chard.
Chut?
Yeah, chard.
It's like a spinach, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But we already
This is
started
chard
eating it.
spinach. Yeah, we
Yeah, you
have
can cut it with the scissors. Yeah.
Yeah, we cut this one here. We cut this. And we chop this one. So this bed, we have already eaten this bed, not this ones yet. Yeah.
Beautiful view, beautiful sun today. Hear the birds?
Yeah, the birds cannot control it. Something growing a little bit slow here is onion, but I hope they will get better.
Okay, I carry on with the boat. I have a cup of coffee first.
Let's meet at the boat.
And back at the boat, we fixed the door. We put the door inside. It's a bit of a mission and a half to do that. It's an old piece of glass. Now we're still waiting for the door rubbers from to come from AliExpress. New door rubbers. We made an anchor thing. We put a hole in the anchor thing. We could put the anchor in there. And the door we have. Yeah. So, boatje is almost finished. Now we need to do the door on the back. We do that Saturday.
Yeah.
Door at the back. And I think next week the rubbers are coming, from.
Exactly.
Yeah. And
Adventure!
we made this one a little bit stronger at the back, where the motor goes. And we're gonna buy a diesel motor, maybe. A little diesel motor from China, from Alibaba. A little Chinese diesel outboard motor.
Tell us what you think.
Probably terrible idea. We'll soon find out.
Exactly. I decided to have a little bit spinach for lunch.
Nice for the hamburgers.
Yeah, because I can't wait. So first I will just take the one that have been snapped out so that they don't be heavy to the stem. Oh, I snapped that one. Bad me too.
Yeah, whatever that could be, and that breaks those
Yeah, I'm wondering.
kales. The only thing doing really well is that stuff, and that's spinach.
Yeah.
Because we only planted this about, what is it, 4 weeks?
4 weeks, yeah.
Yeah, we're already eating it.
Yeah.
Here there's a little bit of coriander. Also very quick.
Yeah.
Here, coriander. All these are all little kale plants. First we thought they were dead, but now they're coming.
Alive.
Yeah, they're coming slowly alive. Yeah. You can just cut them with the scissors, and then they will come back again.
Absolutely. Wonderful flour.
So basically you can, for the next couple of months, we just
We just eat it.
eat it. Hey, cool. September normally here, then it starts getting cold again. September, October. Sometimes the first snow already again in October.
Yeah, then we start putting them in, preserving them.
Put them in the freezer, eh?
We are just from the garden. We are cleaning our spinach and making hamburgers too in the frying pan already.
It's still defrosting.
Yeah, defrosting. So we're gonna have hamburger for lunch. Enough.
Hamburger with fried onions.
And cheese.
And, okay, not to forget, homemade pesto. From coriander from our own garden. Somebody is upside down into the fridge area.
Sit down and eat now. Okay, so how much whatever. Bang bang.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. So juicy dripping.